bakalan login Kristen.
Tapi jujur mukanya Wawa langsung Kristiana bau banget anjay.
Kristiana Eba.
Mana rambutnya pakai segala diurai lagi.
Bapaknya kaget lah karena apa namanya?
Kita lagi tukar.
Kemarin pakai hijab, kenapa sekarang jadi Kristen, Mbak?
Punten.
Ajakku mana ya? Oh gaji. Wait. Ay tak masuk lewat dari
Brother. You already record? Yes. Kita sudah merecord.
Udah merecord dari tadi.
Wow, yes. Yosi as the operator tonight. Wait.
Some people want it all, but I don't.
Misalnya terakhir.
Everything is nothing if I get you.
Boleh makan pisang nggak? Ada gedang, Yos. Yos. Valid nggak?
Bisa. Ih.
Yes.
Wawa, stop it. Wawa. Oh my god.
ya suaramu menggelegar.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know lah, gue terlalu excited.
Excited.
Oke.
Mau nggak?
Jadi
Yos?
pembukaannya gimana guys?
Nggak gimana.
Jangan, gue mau bilang good night lagi. Ternyata harusnya bilang good evening.
Kamu yang bilang tribek.
Oke.
Three bags together against the world.
Tunggu dulu, tak tambahin. We three bags together, shopping legacy. Minyak. Tunggu, together. Together. Hore. Together. Hore. Welcome, we three bags here together, shopping legacy. Period. Udah kita period.
Nggak mau.
Kapan dimulai?
Ayo mulai aja lah tuh, mau ini. Kita coba praktis dulu. Coba dulu.
Nggak usah praktis, langsung aja yuk.
Ayo, gas. Baca sesuai ini ya, alurnya tuh loh.
Nggak mau.
Takut nanti gue lari-lari lagi, bingung lagi. Coba di tengah jalan.
Nanti aku jawil kamu langsung. Oh itu kalau ada part kamu nanti aku jawil kamu.
Gini, angkat tangan aja, Pak.
Oh, oke. Angkat. Oke.
Angkat tangan. Udah awan, oke. Here we go.
Mulai. Bilang apa pembukaannya?
Kayak tadi malam tuh.
Halo.
Halo,
Yang halo
kembali. Oh nanti, tunggu. Iya, kita harus bilang hai. Kita kayak bikin ribut-ribut. 1, 2, 3. Hai.
Halo.
Hai.
Hi guys. Hello. So here we are three bags. Yoshi. Yoshi kamu ya.
Kok nggak kedengaran anjir? Sorry. Nggak kedengaran. Ulang.
Halo bareng-bareng. Halo.
Oke. 1,
2, 3. Halo.
Hi, hello.
Halo. So here, Rebex, Yosi.
Together, shaping legacy.
Woo. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Isna Naifatul Rohima, and
Yosi Shalom, Tantra Hitu. And
our
guest
guest is Najwa Hono.
Najwa. Halo Najwa. Hai Najwa.
Hello guys, you can call me Kawa or Najwa Sadrolin. Nice to meet you. Great to know you.
Nice to meet you.
So, thank you for inviting me to this discussion tonight.
Yeah. You're welcome, and we are so thankful that you are want to go to this podcast. Was it?
So, we will talk about Dark Age era until colonial era for our discussion. Meow.
So in this discussion, in this discussion there are three sections. So the first section we will talk about Dark Age till High Middle Age. So Yosi, you can say it.
Okay. After the collapse of the Roman Empire, who would have thought that the Catholic Church will take over many important functions in society, not only spiritual but also political and social.
Basically, after the fall of the Roman Empire, the church took over many aspects from Roman rules. There's so many aspects. It's like intellectual, political, social, and spiritual life. But for example, in intellectual, there's four church father that has been translated Bibles to Latin and use a pagan to use a pagan culture to this one to help spread Christian teachings.
And one of them is Gregory the Great, right? That is not only organized church, but also turn a room into a administrative center, and it is known as Papal State. Is it true? Or false?
Basically, it's true. As what I said before, there's for church father. For example, is Augustine, Jerome, Ambrose, and the last is Gregory the Great. So the Gregory the Great, he was the last of the church fathers and played a big role in organizing the church. Gregory helped manage Rome and turned the area around it into an administrative center, which later became known as the Papal State or Church State at the time. And bishop and popes had more power than king at the time.
Oh,
And
wow.
then fun fact, it is fun fact. At the time, what a popes, yes, a popes, it's presented God on the earth.
Wow. So at this time also the power of Pope and Bishop even greater than kings, right?
Yes, because uh, what is like church have a contract to king like cancel for or remove a king, and then many rules needed the pope's blessing gain legitimacy. So the king must have a permission from the church to have a legitimacy.
Wow, the church is being able to support or overthrow a king. So that's a lot of power for a religious institution.
Yes. Yes. True.
What do you think about it, Yosi?
But we must also remember that the church at the time was a source of stability. Many people depended on the church for their life and knowledge. And during the first crusade, Pope Urban II was able to unite Europe for one big mission. That's so.
Oh, that's also important
Millennium,
point
yes.
too. Not only about religion, but also church opening the trade routes and cultural exchange to the Middle East. Oh, Middle East, sorry. So next, to the second section, that is past Middle Age to early modern period.
Period.
So at this time also the church is starting. The dominant of church is starting to question. Is it true church or wrong belief? Is it true?
Wait, can you repeat?
Okay, sorry if you are confused. So at this time, people are starting to lose their faith. There are even two or more popes that's claiming each other, right? People are getting confused at this time. Which one is right?
The last is right because in the late Middle Age, there's a main crisis in the church legitimacy. For example, people doesn't trust church anymore because there's three, two, two or three popes claim to be true leader of the church. That's why people confusing and division among Christian. Another issues was the corruption and within the church. So the popes they have a glamour life, but it's come from corruption with the church.
So at this time, the condition of church are getting worse because the internal problems, like last time you said, what the sale of position and corruption and the other.
Yes, that's true. And then because of that, there's two people began to openly criticize church and what is like tell to other people that the church must be have a reformation.
What do you think about it, Yosi?
Well, figures like John's Rich Life and Jan Hus emerged. They demanded that the Bible be the sole authority and pushed for reform. But
And
the
the
Catholic
time
Church,
also, the yeah, continue, Yosi, yeah.
Recording stopped.
yes. Oke, udah, gue pause. Nanti tinggal gue potong terus nyambung lagi.
Okay.
Kita ulang dari late Middle Age.
Dari awal.
Enggak, gue cuma pause ini, pause sementara ini. Pause yang pas di bagiannya gue yang baca yang well figures itu, like John's while life.
Ulang dari late middle age aja.
Ayo, oke lah. Oke. Ulang. Tunggu gua.
Ya udah, berapa menit, Cok?
Gak tahu nih. Tunggu, tak coba. Tak cek. Tunggu. Tunggu ya. Tunggu. Where is that? Aduh, gua sakit anjay. I think so. Dia masuk ya.
Tidak kah?
Ini dapatnya berapa menit ini? Tunggu ye. Gue lihat ini udah dapat berapa. This one was done. Oh bukan. Yo, bener. Ini masuknya di mana anjir? Jangan beda. Gila.
Berapa menit, Pak, nek in your phone?
Iya, coba di file.
Oh,
16.
itu you record dari mana? Dari awal sampai akhir?
Iya.
Okay, let's continue.
Ya,
Oke.
sudah kah?
Tunggu, tak record.
Recording in progress.
Oke.
Pak, you awalnya bilang the next session is late middle age.
Okay. The next session is last middle age. We are entering the time where the dominance of the church is starting to be questioned. That is last middle age to early modern era. So at this time, wait. Oke.
Recording
Kok kata
stopped.
yo? What? Yos, gak usah.
Gak usah apa?
Like mau recording stop.
Gak apa-apa, lanjutin.
Recording in progress.
Okay, next. The next session is last middle age to early modern period. So we are entering a time where dominance church is starting to be questioned. At this time, people are starting to lose their faith because there are two or three popes are claiming each other, and that make people are confused which one is right.
I think the last is correct because during middle age, people doesn't believe church again because there are a lot of crisis in the internal from the church. For example, at the time, there are two or even more than two claim to be true leader of the church, and then the I think it's like government of the church was corruption with the church. So people confusing about who's the true leader, and they don't believe in the church again.
So the church has internal problems that make getting worse the moment, and because the self-position and corruption, you said.
Yes,
Oh.
that's true.
Well, figures like John Wycliffe and Jan Hus emerged, they demanded that the Bible be the sole authority and pushed for the reformed.
Exactly what you said is totally true because after people don't believe in church again, there's two peoples, two people is John Wycliffe and John Huss. Is
Yes.
declared if the church need a reformation, and then after that, uh, Protestant Reformation has begun, was led by Martin Luther. That's
Hmm. But the Catholic Church wasn't silent either. They dove back through the Counter Reformation. The Council of Trent was held, and new orders emerged, such as the Jesuits, who were very active in education and social mission.
okay. So for a response for Protestant Reformation, the Catholic
Yes.
Church mounted
Mm.
its own reforms during the Council of Trent, which aimed to correct an internal problem. So
No problem, okay?
at the time, like the Jesuit who become very active in education and missionary work. Yes.
But unfortunately, also at that time, like there is a war that 30 years war, which was absolutely very brutal, and I think it's negative for the society, right?
But
For you continue or
next, you say, what did you say?
okay, so exactly the 30 years war is
Yes.
affected because of the reformation of the church. But yes, but the war is ended by Treaty of Westphalia that allowed 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 a king which country to choose the religion of their own country.
And that's where we start to see the rise of the modern state with a secular system, but still keeping the moral values intact from the church.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Now this is the last topic,
I
colonial
think
period.
wait wait oh
What, what,
let
what,
me
what,
check
what, what?
Recording
in
stopped.
the background.
Recording stopped.
I think
The last is what? Ding
uh,
ding ding ding.
Oke.
Wait.
Oke, gua rekam ya nih.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, thank you Wawa for the information about last Middle Age to early modern era. But this is the last section for this discussion tonight. Colonial era. Hmm.
Wow.
Now, let's talk about the colonial period. The church became part of the global expansion of Europe. Europe, nation, and of course Christianity spread. Yes, we see examples of this is the Latin America, Africa, and Asia. Missionaries build schools, hospital, and introduce modern education systems. Where you think, Wawa, do you have or
Okay,
Aifa?
basically in this era, the kingdom, the Western civilization has have a colonial regime. For example, what's the function of colonial regime? I think it's for spread a Christian what? Yes, for wait, I'm playing.
It's okay.
Ini ngulang.
Recording stopped.
It's okay, lanjut aja biar nanti gua motongin nanti masukin, tak editin.
Jadi
Siapa mau
jadi
edit?
kan
Kita bertiga kah atau sendiri aja nanti gua ngeditnya natural-naturalnya aja lah. Gak usah nambah-nambah
Nanti gua
apa-apa
editin.
gitu.
ntar I editing.
Oke.
Oke.
Siap,
record
Wah?
aja.
Oke. Ulang kata-katamu. Oke, siap. 1, 2, 3.
Recording in progress.
So, at the colonial era, many colonial religions were converted to Christianity by Western power. For example, Latin America was Christianized by Spain and Portugal, while Indonesia was influenced by the Dutch and the Portuguese.
Okay.
But in Indonesia, for the example, some people were baptized because of trade pressure, not because of their personal beliefs. I think it's negative for the society because they were forced to for baptism.
Yes, in many cases, the spread of Christianity involved coercion and oppression. In Indonesia, for example, the Portuguese baptized local people not out of personal belief, but due to pressure or the desire to maintain trade relation. And in addition, local temple culture object and traditional belief were often destroyed or labeled as heresy.
Also, we recognize that in some places, missionaries actually help small communities, not as colonizers but as companions.
Oh,
What?
okay. So I think we are run out time. So I think that the last section until colonial period, colonial era. So do you have anything to say, Najwa or Josie maybe?
Maybe it's just a summary for our discussion.
I think this clear. This enough.
Okay. But I want to give a summary.
Okay, just go ahead, Najwa.
So actually, there's a lot of people from Dark Age until colonial era was Christianized by the church, and the church has a many function at the time. like a place to have a knowledge and for a prayer. I think the church at the time has a lot of power.
Yes, church. I think too. The power is maybe. Wait, ngeblank coy. Cut ya.
Recording stopped.
Coy, ya nggak usah ini. Aku mau lanjut coy.
Oke, satu. Oke.
Recording in progress.
Okay, I just wanna add that the problem in this time, religion becomes a tool of colonialism. So it sometimes undermines the culture identity of that place.
Yeah.
What do you think about this, Yos?
I think this so clear the role of the church in colonial times was complex. There was a humanity side, but also a power side. That's it.
Yes, history always been so complex. Okay, I think that's all for our discussion today. How to close, Joy?
I think
Thank you.
thank you, and we say three bags together. Separately give much.
Oke.
1, 2, 3.
3. Tiap apa, bikin aja yang gue katin. Oke. We three bags together, shaping legacy.
Yay!
Thank you, Fa, thank you, Wawa, for the information explanation about discussion.
Yeah, thank you,
And
guys.
God bless you always, my friends. Three bags together.
Don't forget a fun fact, yes.
And to Pak Rizky or siapa namanya? Aku hilang Coy.
Your face gone.
Pak Rizal. Pak
Ayo
Rizal.
enggak kok Pak Rizal enggak. Kita bikin pesan buat Pak Sopo itu.
Oh,
Mas
ini
Eri.
Mr. Patrick.
Ya, ayo kita buat pesan Mr. Patrick.
Oke.
Tolong.
Gimana kata-katanya?
Kita skor bagus.
Wait, cuy. Wait.
Oke. Kamu masih recording kan? Yes, oke masih.
Masih aman. Wait. Anjay, Wawa di belakangmu tuh seksi sekali.
Yes.
Iya sih.
Someone. Your friend in the room with you.
Did you think I'm only can hear your voice? Only me can hear your
Suaramu menggema, Yos.
Sorry.
Maaf nggak lu?
I'm sorry, pretty girl behind behind the Wawa. Sorry.
Biasa, Yos.
Wait.
Mr. Patrick, give us the higher score, please.
Yes. Kita bikin gitu aja terus kita kirim. Tapi yakin ini Mas Patricknya nonton?
Nonton lah.
Minal aidin wal faizin. Orangnya kan Islam. Wait.
Oke. Mina
Apa bilangnya kata-katanya?
nggak tahu.
For Mas Patrick, minal aizin wal faizin, mohon
Oke.
maaf.
Maaf lahir batin.
Please
For
give us
Mr.
high score.
Patrick. Apa? Ditulis dong kata-katanya. Wal faizin. Wal.
Well,
Tulis dong, tulis. Wal faizin. Udah gue ngafal tapi kayak tolol-tolol aja nih mulut, kadang kagak sinkron. Minal aizin wal faizin, mohon maaf lah dan lahir batin. Atau tambah dan atau tidak usah. Langsung aja. Mohon maaf lahir batin. Thank you. I hope Mr. Patrick give us the perfecto. The perfecto. The perfecto. Great.
what yours?
Katanya higher score.
Higher score. Or the highest.
Higher or high?
Highest
High.
score.
Let's go fighting. Oke.
Yang mana? Yang atas
Wait.
apa yang bawah? Ini, lihat komentarnya.
Lucu fotonya kita bertiga.
Gemoy.
Oke, here we go.
Yang mana cuy? Higher score.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. For Mr. Patrick.
Mr. Patrick, minal aizin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir batin.
Please give
Give us highest score.
Thank you.
Kak.
Kamsahamnida.
Apakah Sarika? Yosinakap.
Dah.
That's it.
Send to me.
Recording stop.
Yosi. Videonya ini ya. Send to me tapi dalam bentuk link G Drive.
Di drive. Tunggu,
Ya.
tak bikinin. Jangan dulu keluar kalian.
Ayo foto dulu.
Iya betul.
Foto.
Backgroundnya ini aja.
Penyembunyian ini. Agama anjir. Satu menjadi Islam, satu menyembunyikan.
Okay, it's fine.
Siapa yang screenshot?
Tunggu. Oh, bisa kali ya? Tunggu. Aduh, gimana ya? Aduh, waktu itu gue bisa
Sambil
kok
di-record.
screenshot. Tunggu, bisa gak sih nih screenshot? PC only, screen. Guys, itu screenshotnya gimana ya? Kontrol apa ya waktu itu gue?
Bukan
Video.
PS Roll.
Windows sama PTR, PRT.
Tunggu. Window sama
PRT.
PFT yang mana anjir?
PRT yang pojok kanan atas, PRT SD.
PFT mana nih? Yang ini kali ya?
Ya, pojok kanan atas.
Tunggu, tak cobain. Aduh anjir, kagak bisa cuy.
Di screen record.
Oh ini astaga. Tunggu. Lagi proses. Ya Allah, udah ketangkep lagi. Siap. Ulang guys, ulang. 1, 2, 3, senyum. Oke. That's it. Foto. Tunggu. Udah ada. Udah ketangkap.
Enggak ya sih, kamu enggak itu.
Oh iya.
Yang itu banget sumpah.
Udah, tunggu. Nah, tak kirimin ya. Udah ini.
lagi.
Ulang. Tunggu. Aduh, tak simpan, takut tidak kesimpan sih ini. Soalnya gue pernah bikin terus nggak ini. Tunggu. SS with 3 bags. Oke, ulang. Guys, siap. Ganti gaya. Oke, udah. Tunggu, gua cut dulu, cut. Oke.
Kamu harusnya nge-record waktu di foto tadi.
Iya
Buat
sih.
dia.
Oh, kan masih ada aku yang record.
Iya, betul. Mantap. Mana nih? Tunggu. Tak simpanin. SS.
Ayo,
Back
Simon
to-
says. Let's play Simon says.
Kurang pirang menit ya, Pak?
Loh,
Oke,
kita sampai
sudah.
12.
Mau foto lagi kah? Kak bagaimana?
Oh, sih.
Let's play Simon says. Tapi record yes. Oh, nggak ada
Tunggu.
Pak.
Recording in progress.
Oke.
Simon says. Tiruin Pak Pujo.
Anjir. Bilang apaan, Anjay?
Oke, from Yosi.
Bilang apaan, Cu?
Aku mau.
Ayo.
Bilang.
Kalau kalian kasih saya soto, mood saya akan baik. Kasih saya soto.
Mimi.
Oke.
Any question?
Any question? Gua.
Oke.
Gua. Kayaknya kelas kalian lebih baik daripada kelas anak SNBP. Damn. Mandiri nih, Bos. Damn.
No. Oke.
Mr. Moses.
Oke.
Who says? You say Pak.
Adik-adik ini namanya kebudayaan. Adik-adik.
Saya.
Oke. Kasih.
Coba kalian bertiga cari 9 dunia versi orang Jepang.
Oke.
9 portal orang Jepang.
Keren.
Kalian kerja kelompoknya gimana sih?
Kok cuma teman kalian aja yang ngejawab, kalian nggak bantu?
Oh my.
Okay.
Oh mago.
Yosi, say Simon says. Give our instruction.
Say what?
Beri kita instruksi untuk menulis siapa.
Instruksi?
Simon says, touch your nose. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Touch your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Pak
Yosi.
Johnson Simon says.
Eyes, hidung. Kan hidung mata.
Tapi nggak ada Simon says.
Simon says. Angkat botol ukuran tanggung.
Ukuran apa?
Tanggung. Serius
Kan
aja.
kelihatan. Coba kita ngapusin latar belakangnya dulu nih.
Oh ya.
Kasih dibully aja. Gimana sih cara ngapusnya ini?
Gimana?
Everyone, help!
Everyone, it's my birthday.
Nah, sudah. Simon says, hapus hapus background.
Hapus background.
Tunggu anjir. Ih, tunggu ini gimana view. Oh alah Akbar, ini tuh. Tunggu. Ih gimana ngapusnya?
Wih, Yosi
Tuh,
kalah.
iki tadi bisa, kok sekarang nggak bisa, kok nggak iso gitu loh.
Yosi kalah. You pilih truth or dare.
Iya sih,
Order matamu. Aing nggak mau.
Kamu kan nggak bisa remove backgroundnya, Yos.
Loh iki, kok nggak ada gua? Ada gua. Loh, tunggu dulu, ini gimana ngapusnya, latar belakangnya?
Truth or dare, Yosi.
Truth or dare, Yos.
Dare, kamu harus bilang ke Puput Lina, kamu jahat. Udah, stop. Nggak usah bilang kamu dare. Udah, kamu bilang itu aja.
Anjay, gitu ya.
Nah, itu Puput Lina.
Puput Lina.
Pak, you punya something like cemilan.
What? Something like.
I don't know to control it like what?
Yosi. Listen carefully.
Tapi
Itu kan
Aku
ada
ingin tahu
tombol
apa
merah.
yang Yosi lihat.
Yos. Itu kan ada kamera. Yang video.
Yes. Kenapa?
Itu kan ada tanda panah ke atasnya. Yang di samping video.
Yang mana tanda videonya?
Kiri bawah.
Bawah kiri. Sampingnya
Oh,
audio.
Bawah kiri. Tunggu, gue kayak agak bingung ini. Gue gak bisa ngilangin. Gak mau. Tak nah, gue masih tersinggung.
Oke. Yosi.
And it.
Yos.
Yup. What happened?
Ini yang. Nah, udah kok.
Yang tadi.
Kamu udah tahu lah.
Oh, udah bisa.
Oke.
Ah.
Simon says,
What?
touch your phone.
Casingnya bro.
1, 2, 3. Oke.
Ih, gue gak blur sih. Oh iya.
Please
Cuk, cuk, cuk,
give
cuk.
us perintah. Anjir.
Asik Yosi, keren gak tuh?
Dalam kamera.
Kayak hantu Yos. Keren.
Loh, ini jadi gelap gini, cu.
Hantu Yos, belakangmu apa itu? Yos, apa itu Yos?
Literally gue nggak pakai baju, gue pakai ini singlet.
Oh, say.
Screenshot.
Oh my god, guys sudah jam 9. Ih guys, kita nggak bahas itu yuk, yang ini literatur itu gimana cuy, supaya gue bisa bantu cari kerangkanya, apalagi selain rangka-rangkanya terus
Itu kan ya.
Literannya.
Wah. Itu kan kita buat 5 paragraf kan ya. Nah, bukan 5 paragraf, 5 bagian. Di bagian ya per bagiannya. Nih, gua ngomong.
Gue bakal ini analyze yang di komiknya itu loh. Soalnya if nunggu Chelsea kayaknya bakal lama.
Guys, sebentar itu.
Chatan dengan Pak Pol.
Wow.
Itu isu itu sempat terakhir sing isu ambek tema yang dibicarakan itu tapi sempat sing bagian apa kayak unsur intrinsiknya masih dorong sama sing bisa sama yang bawahnya itu doang.
Unsur intrinsik unsur intrinsik itu kayak plot ngono kan ya. Aku
Iya,
ada
tak kirimin itu
plot
ya,
sampai
Beb.
setting kan.
Fotonya kita screenshotin sekaligus.
Kayak iku correction mana Pak? Kayak aku soalnya aku juga tekan GPT.
Apa?
Halo Elsa. Eriko.
What?
Sing unsur intrinsik deh. Iku correction mana? Soalnya aku ndelok tekan GPT.
Oke.
You correction in there aja di sana dan kok langsung tak iku what tak saya
Wait. Iki. Yo. Berarti oh ya sih udah mengirim itu. Wait, berarti kita pakai kerangka apa?
you know kalau di HP ku wajahmu udah dicopot kok.
Keren.
Yo sih jangan ngelamun
Yang apa?
jangan ngelamun
Enggak, ini gue lagi ini mau bikin itu loh videonya kita terus taruh di Gdocs. Oh, dijadiin satu.
how masa ya
Sekaligus tuh Mbak E.
don't forget guys kalian harus menekan suara kalian untuk fun fact.
Apa Beb? Dijadiin di mana? Satuin di apa? Google Drive. Allahu Akbar.
Wah, buka 3-back.
Thanks.
Upload story guys, upload story. Gak mukanya gitu.